Hello students, today our topic is Python programming, and in this lecture we are going to discuss some question answer related to Python operators. So let us start. Um, as you can see on the screen, there is a question number 12. So let us start with question number 12. We already covered question number 11 in our last lecture. So let's start. First question is what are the values of the following Python expressions? So we have to find out the value of given Python expression. First expression is 3 2 star 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 means exponent, and there is a sign of parenthesis, and then 3 star star 2. So first of all, according to the rule, first of all parenthesis should be solved. So whatever be the value given in the parenthesis should be solved first, and in this case it is equal to like this, 3 power 2, because star double star basically represent exponent. So 3 power 2 will be calculated, which is equal to 9. So this look like this after after solving that particular part given in parenthesis. Now our final answer should be 2 power 9, and as we know that 2 power 9 is basically 512. Okay, so the first value clearly should be 512. Now let's check second expression. Second expression, only the bracket is changed. So according to the rule we have to solve bracket first, that is parenthesis sign. Okay, okay. Now expression is 2 star star 3, and that is given in basically parenthesis. Okay, star star 2. So it will equivalent to 2 power 3 power 2. So 2 power 3, as we know that 8 power 2, it means 64 will be the answer. So 64 is the answer. In this question, one basic thing is that you have to solve first of all the parenthesis sign first. After that, you can easily see here that double star sign is there. It simply means that power, it indicate power. So 2 double star 3 means 2 power 3, and whatever be the value get after 2 double star 3, uh, that is 8 in this case, then we get 8 double star 2, which means 8 power 2. Okay, that is 64. Now let us take part number 3. So part number 3 says that, okay, part number 3, 2 double star 3 double star 2. Now there is no bracket sign here, and 2 times double star appears there in this expression. So we have to solve it from right to left. Okay, and why right to left? Because its property indicate that it is always solved from right to left. So first of all, this will be solved. This means 3 power 2, and 3 power 2, as we know that equal to 9. Now 2 double star 9 means 2 power 9, which is equivalent to 512. So our answer should be 512, 64, and then the last part again it is 512. So 512, 64, and 512. It means that fourth answer is correct. I will show you the fourth option. Now you can easily see on the screen that fourth is a correct option. Okay, now I think it is clear to all of you. So let us take another question. That is question number 13. What is the value of the following Python expression? Okay, so let us see it. First, two expressions are given. So let us take first expression. First expression says that 8 slash 4 slash 2, and as we know that division operator is always evaluated from left to right. So first of all 8 slash 4 should be evaluated. So 8 slash 4 means 2.0, and answer always be a float value whenever when we use slash operator, that means a division operator. Then 2.0 is divided by 2, which again equivalent to 1.0. Okay, so 1.0. So here we can easily see that only first two option have value 1.0. Now let us take a second expression. Second expression says that 8 slash 4 slash 2. So 8 slash 4 slash 2, 4 slash 2 basically equal to 2.0. And as we know that, first of all, parenthesis signs will be solved according to the Boardmaster rule, which is used in mathematics as well as in Python programming also. So 8 divided by 2.0 is 4.0. So second value should be 4.0. So 1.0 and 4.0 should be the answer. So it means answer number A is correct. Okay. Now I think it is clear to all of you. Okay. Now let's take question number 14. Question number 14 says that float. So there is an explicit type conversion here. Float 22 slash 3 plus 3 divided by 3. Okay. And what is the meaning of this expression? First of all, we have to solve the parenthesis sign first, and whatever we get the value, that value should be converted into a float value. And within the parenthesis sign, as we know that only the division and the float division operators are there. So we have to solve it from left to right because both operators have almost the same precedence. So first expression that will be solved is 22 double slash 3, which is equal to 7, because float division always return an integer value. It is also called as a truncate operator because whatever the value get after the decimal, it truncate all of these. So 7 is the answer of 22 double slash 3. Then 3 slash 3, answer will be 1.0. Always remember that division operator always return float value. Always return float value. So 3 slash 3, 3 divided by 3, it simply returns 1.0, and 7 plus 1.0 is equal to 8.0. And when 8.0 is converted to float value, then it should also equal to 8.0. So no change will be there because it is already a float value. So answer will be 8.0. So our answer is 8.0. It means B is the correct answer. Okay. Now here, always remember two things. First of all, there are two types of actually three types of division operators are there. Simple division operator, float division, and modulo division. So as far as modulo division is concerned, modulo division just return the remainder. But when we talk about this division operator and float division operator basically returns the um, returns the returns always return the answer in terms of a float value. Always returns the answer in terms of float value. But when we talk about the float division, it always returns the answer as an integer value. And always remember that whenever we get a float value like that 8.9, then only the integer part will be your answer. So whatever be the value just after the decimal, it always truncated. It will be always truncated. Okay, so that is the difference between division and float division operator. Okay, now let us take another question. That is question number 15. All keywords are all keywords in Python are in lowercase, uppercase, capitalized, or none of the mentioned. As we know that in Python 3.7 there are total 33 keywords, in which two keywords are true and false, which first letter is a capital letter. And as far as others are concerned, just like that, if, else. Okay, these operator basically, in these operators, all these operators are in lowercase letters. So lowercase is not the correct answer, uppercase is also not the correct answer, capitalize is not the correct answer, because some operators are capitalized, some are in lowercase letter. So first three options are wrong, and only the fourth option is correct. It means none of the mentioned, because some keywords are in lowercase letter and some are in capitalized. So basically, keywords in Python are the combination of lowercase as well as capitalized letters. Now, question number 16. What will be the output of the following Python expression? Print 4.00, then division operator is there, and within the bracket 2.0 plus 2.0. So according to the rule, we have to solve the sign of parenthesis first. That means 2.0 and 2.0 is added to 2.0. So it will equal, it is equal to 4.0. Okay. Now our expression is print 4.00 divided by 4.0. So when 4.00 divided by 4.0, we get actually 1.0, which is a float value. Always remember that when we talk about the float values, then if such type of expression appear in your calculation in Python programming language, answer must be in float value, first thing. And second important thing is that we give, or Python give, minimum representation, not like that 1.00. It always give 1.0. So 1.0 is the correct answer. Okay. So question number 16, answer B is correct. Now let us take question number 17. Question number 17 says that 2 plus 9, and there is a sign of bracket, actually two sign bracket, means the sign of parenthesis here. So two parentheses here. First of all, we have to solve the inner parenthesis, which is equal to 3 star 12. So when we multiply 3 by 12, answer is 36. Okay, answer is 36. And then 30 outer bracket says that 36 minus 8 should be evaluated. So 36 minus 8 is equal to 28, sorry, 28. And then 28. Now our expressions look like this. X is equal to 2 plus 9 into 28 divided by 10. Okay. So according to the precedence of operator, 28 into 9 is evaluated first, and then it is divided by 10, and whatever we get the value, just after that it is added to 2. So our answer is 27.2. Okay, I think now it is clear to all of you. So first of all, we have to solve the inner bracket, then outer bracket, and whatever we get the after solving the outer bracket, our expression look like this. I'll write it again. Okay, x is equal to 2 plus 9 into 28 slash 10. So first of all, 20, when we multiply 28 by 9, it is equal to, it is equal to 252. Okay, and it is equal to, when 252 is divided by 10, our answer is 25.2. And when 25.2 is added to 2, it is equal to 27.2. So 27.2 is the correct answer. So answer D is the correct answer. Okay. Now, question number 18. What will be the output of the following Python expression? And first Python expression says that 24 float division 6 modulo 3. So expression is always related from left to right. Both operators have same precedence. So when 24 is divided by 6, that means answer should be 4, which is an integer value, and 4 is for modulo 3, whatever we get just after solving that particular part of that expression. And as you know that 4 modulo 3 is equal to 1. So first value should be 1. So it means either the question option number A is correct or C is correct. Okay. Now let us take its second part. 24 double slash 4 double slash 2. So 24, when we take the float division of it with 4, then our answer is 6. Then 6 float division by 2, that means answer is 3. So our final answer should be 1 and 3. Okay, 1 and 3 will be our answer. Okay, now let us take another question. Question number 19. What will be the value of the following Python expression? Float 4 plus int 2.39 and 2.39 modulo division 2. So before solving this question, I just give the brief description of type conversion. Actually, there are two type conversion in Python. First is implicit and second is explicit. When we talk about the implicit type conversion, that means type conversion done by Python interpreter. That means itself. That means let us take an example. For example, if 2.0 is divided by 2, then our answer is 1.0. Here we can easily see that 2.0 is a float value while 2 is an integer value. So when there are two values in which one value is a float value and second is an integer value, then our answer is always is in the form of a float value. That means actually Python converts int into a float value. Okay, so our answer should be 1.0. So it means lower to higher conversion is always there. That is the example of implicit type conversion. So lower data type is always converted to higher data type by Python interpreter itself when no data type is mentioned. That is called the implicit type conversion. But when we talk about the explicit type conversion, basically we mention the data type of a particular value. For example, if we just write it as 2.0 plus 2, like that. So in that case our answer will be 4. And why it is so? Because 2.0 is converted to an int value which is equal to 2, and 2 is then added to 2, so our answer should be 4. That is called the explicit type conversion. Explicit type conversion, we mention the data type of a particular value. Okay, so 2.0 is converted to integer value. So these are the two types of conversion which are found in Python programming language: implicit and explicit. So this question is basically related to type conversion. Okay, so now let us solve this question. Now, okay, first of all, you can easily see on the screen that in 2.39 is there. So first of all, 2.39 should be converted to an int value which is equal to 2. So our expression should be look like this: float 4 plus 2 modulo division 2. Okay, and that is equal to float. Obviously, modulo division operator have a greater precedence as compared to a plus. So our expression look like this: 4 plus 2 modulo division 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so now expression is converted to float 4, and 4 is converted, 4 is an integer value, and when we convert 4 which is an integer value into a float value, that is equal to 4.0. So 4.0 the correct answer, means option number C is the correct answer. Okay, so C is the correct answer. Now question number 20. Question number 20 says that what will be the value of the following Python expression? An expression is 4 plus 2 double star 5 double slash 5. Now there are three operators: plus, exponent, and float division. Okay, in which precedence of exponent operator is highest. So we have to solve this part first. So it is equal to 4 plus 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is equal to 32. Okay, and then float division 5. Now between plus and float division operator has a higher precedence. So 32 float division 5 should be solved first, which is equal to 4 plus, when 32 is divided by 5, we get 6. Always remember that in float division we always take an integer value. Okay, so 6, and when 4 is added to 6, our answer should be 10. So 10 is the correct answer. Okay, 10 is the correct answer. You can easily see on the screen. 10 is the correct answer. Okay, this is question number 21. As you can see on the screen, it says that x is equal to 5, and there is a print statement. Now we have do lot of questions related to arithmetic operators. Now it's time to solve some question answer basically related to logical operators. Okay, so there is a value x is equal to 5. 5 is assigned to x actually, and next line there is a print statement. So this is a basically question related to comparison operator as well as logical operator. So comparison operator, when we talk about the comparison operator, these are the comparison operators: greater than, less than, greater than equal to. Okay, less than equal to, not equal to, equal to. These are the comparison operator. And why these are called the comparison operator? Because basically these operator compare two values. And second important thing is that answer is always in terms of true or false. Okay, always in terms of true and false. For example, if we just write like this, like that, print 5 is greater than 6, then our answer is false. And if we write print 5 is less than 6, our answer is true. The true will be printed on a screen. Okay, so first thing, I think it is clear to all of you. Now second thing, when we talk about the logical operators, basically three types of logical operators are there. First is AND, second is OR, and third is NOT. So first of all let us discuss AND. Actually, when all the values are found to be correct and statement are separated with AND operator, then answer should be true. Okay, and in all other cases answer should be false. For example, if I write like this, print x is greater than 3, sorry, wait a minute, 5 is greater than 3, okay, 5 is greater than 3 and 5 is less than 6, then answer should be true. And why it is so? It is because we know that 5 greater than 3 is true, and there is a sign of and next expression is 5 is less than 6, which is also true. So when two or more than two statements which have value true are separated with AND operators, then our answer should be true. In simple words, we can say that when more than one conditions are there and these conditions are separated by AND operators and their final result is found to be true, okay, then our answer is final answer should be true when all these conditions are separated by an AND operator. And if any one condition is found to be false, then our answer should be false. For example, just like that, 5 is greater than 3 and 5 is greater than 6. So first answer is true, then there is this AND operator, and second is false. In that case, our final answer is false. If all the conditions are found to be false, then in that case also our answer should be false. So the final conclusion is that when at least one condition found to be false and these conditions are separated by AND operator, then answer is false. When all conditions are found to be true, then when we separate these conditions, when all conditions are found to be true by an AND operator, then our answer is true. Okay, and as far as OR is concerned, OR is just opposite to AND operator. When at least one condition is found to be true, at least, it at least means minimum one condition is found to be true, then answer is true. And all condition are when all condition are found to be false, then our answer is false. Okay, and as far as third operator is concerned, which is not, basically it will negate your answer. For example, if I just write like that, not 5 is greater than 3, now it simply means that 5 is greater than 3 is a true, so we just do the negation of true, it means false is our final answer. Okay, now let us do this question. In this question you can easily see here that first expression is x equal to 5, so value of x is 5, and then see the comparison, 5 is greater than 3, 5 is greater than 3 is true. Okay, now 5 is less than 10, 5 is less than 10 is also true, and these two statements are separated by AND, so it simply means that true and true. And according to the rule, when all statements are found to be true in the case of AND operator, then final answer should be true. So our answer is true in this case. Okay, now see the question number 22. Question number 22 says that Which one of the following is not a complex number? So as far as a complex number is concerned, we know that in mathematics they are represented like that: 2 plus 3i, like that, where I basically represent imaginary part which is equal to -1, and this is considered as a real part. Okay, but in Python programming, in place of I we just use a symbol or the character J. Okay, so let us check which one of the following is not a complex number. So 2 plus 3j is the correct answer. K is equal to complex 2 comma 3. So a complex number can also be represented like that. It simply means that when we write this complex 3 comma j, it simply means that 2 plus 3j. Okay, so we can represent a complex number just like that. Next is 2 plus 3l. So this is a wrong representation, and answer number 4, k is equal to 2 plus 3j. So j is whether is it in lowercase or uppercase, it doesn't matter. So C is the correct answer. C does not represent a complex number. Okay, so that is all about our today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching this video.